Hello, welcome to the Trading Success Show. Before we go into the upcoming IPO, let's go ahead and actually review the previous week, of course. But before we begin, here is the disclaimer. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell a security or a stock. Okay, consult with a professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. Okay, so let's get into the list of the stock that we traded last week, the IPOs. Okay, first one on the list was LDI. LDI was really interesting IPO. Okay, what happened here? The stock actually opened up close to around $14 per share, and the stock went to test $40. Okay, so right there, this is pretty much the range. If we set our Fibonacci, I'm already in this stock and I'm still in it. So if you want to get in this stock, you just have to see what the Fibonacci is saying right here. Let's see if we can retrace back down to around $28 and $30. It would be good for an entry. Okay, next one is going to be ADAG. This one is also a good one. Open up around $19 all the way to $31.83. So I do like the IPO as well, the way it traded. So if it can consolidate around this area, it should pick back up and start testing the highs. Next one is gonna be AP Arrow. Okay, AP Arrow didn't do quite well. Open up around $20 all the way to $28. It did good on the day, but then the next day it just pulled back down. So that's how that got traded. BVS is another one. Open up around $13 all the way to $19.50. So if we can consolidate around this area, I think we should head back to the highs. All right, so BMBL is Bumble actually opened up too expensive in my opinion, so I just got few, maybe like 3 points out of it, and that was it. Okay, that was it, because I don't like stock that get too overpriced and then get caught holding the bag pretty much. So from here down to here, let's see. Yes, if we can retrace back then to $70 or between $64 and $70, I should be able to pick some up on Bumble, BMBL. Okay, next one is gonna be SGFY. Oh my goodness, I was busy doing something, so I didn't pick this up. So I do like it right from here. Okay, open up and then stock push higher, stayed there, pull back down, and then straight back up again. So I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback on Tuesday, and then we push higher. I think there's a decent amount of trading on this ticker, so on this stock. So I'll be looking at trading this on Tuesday. Okay, the next one is going to be NEXI. The same pretty good stuff. Open up around $17 and all the way to $28. So I think within this between say $21.50 and $23, I'll be looking for an entry for a swing if it comes. TLS till that's gonna be the last one to for us to review. This one was good too. Open up around $16 all the way to 34. Okay, that was priced in around that $16 dollars. It was pretty much priced between $14 and $16 per share. But then, man, look at how it moved up to 34. Okay, so I do like it. I just needed to come back to the $22 or $25 area before I can swing this. Okay, these are the IPOs for the previous week. So now we focus on the next IPO for this coming week, though we only have two, and one of them is an acquisition corp. It's a SPAC company, so I'm not too much of a fan. Okay, not too much of a fan of the SPAC company. Okay, put it this way. What is a SPAC? A SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. It's a company with no commercial operations that is formed strictly to raise capital through an initial public offering, IPO, for the purpose of acquiring an existing company. So that is pretty much the purpose of a SPAC company. For a takeaway, we say is formed to raise money through an initial public offering to buy another company. Okay, and the SPAC have 2 years to complete an acquisition or may return their funds to investors. Okay, so if you're holding a SPAC company, they need to make an acquisition within 2 years, otherwise money will be refunded back to investors. Okay, investors in SPAC can range from well-known private equity funds to the general public. Okay, so that is pretty much what a SPAC is all about. Okay, a blank check company. Okay, so now we go to the IPO for the upcoming week. Okay, IPOs for the week of February the 15th. All right, so what we have here is AFC Gamma Incorporated. Okay, what we have here is AFCG. AFCG is about 6.3 million shares, priced between $19 and $19 per share. Okay, it is a US company, and estimated volume will be 118 million as out of today. Okay, let's give a little bit of a background on this company. Is a commercial real estate finance company founded in July 2020. Okay, so pretty much this is a real estate company, so we gotta look out for them. Okay, there's no information on net income or revenues, but the market cap is supposed to be $236 million. Okay, that's what it's supposed to be. Underwriters I'm not a fan of, which we have JMP Securities, Ludenberg, Seaport Global Securities. So I'm not really a fan of those as well, but that is the one that we have right now in terms of stock to be traded on the 16th of February. Okay, the next one is gonna be an acquisition company called Rot CH Acquisition. We got a 15 million shares, priced between $10 and $10 per share. Of course, estimated volume is gonna be 150 million as out of today. So expected to trade on the 17th, which is on Wednesday. Okay. Not really too much of this, but the business is gonna be focused on business services, consumer healthcare, technology, wellness, and all sustainability sectors. So it's a blank check industry of California. Revenue zero, net income zero, with a market cap of $192 million. Okay, writers, in terms of underwriters and managers, they're Rot Capital Partners and Craig Hallam Capital Group. Okay, for me, this coming week, if there are no other IPOs, I wouldn't be trading these two, but this is the list of the upcoming IPO for the week of the 15th February. This is the IPO for the upcoming week of February 15th, 2021. Stay tuned, like the channels, and subscribe for more content. You all have a wonderful weekend.